Welcome to day 33. Today's word is shame. Shame doesn't just tell you that you made a mistake. It tries to convince you that you are the mistake. But shame is not your truth, and it is not your name. Shame is one of the heaviest words we carry. It seeps into the cracks of our memory. It lingers in silence. It clings to your skin until you forget what freedom feels like. Shame doesn't shout. It whispers. It whispers when you are about to share your story. Don't. No one wants to hear it. It whispers when someone offers love. If they really knew you, they'd leave. It whispers when you look in the mirror. You're still not enough. Shame shows up in the body, in the way you avoid eye contact, in the way your shoulders fold inward as if to take up less space, in the way you laugh too quietly to cover your pain, in the way your voice catches when you try to speak what matters most. And over time, it convinces you that hiding is safer than being seen, that silence is easier than honesty, that masks are better than vulnerability. But here's the thing. Shame was never meant to be your covering. Spirit's love was. The very first time shame entered the story, in the garden, God didn't turn away. He clothed Adam and Eve. He covered them. He said, in his own way, you are still mine. That's the truth shame doesn't want you to know. Even at your lowest, you were never abandoned. Shame says, you are your wounds. Spirit says, you are my beloved. Shame says, hide who you are. Spirit says, come into the light. It's where healing lives. Shame says, don't speak, don't try, don't be. Spirit says, rise, because I've already called you enough. And here's what's truest. Shame cannot survive in the presence of love. Once you bring it into the light, it loses its grip. So today, we refuse to wear shame as our skin. We take it off, we lay it down, and we step forward, not perfect, but free. Because shame is not your identity. You were created in the image of Spirit, fearfully, wonderfully, intentionally. And nothing, not shame, not the past, not the lies, can take that away. Today's challenge: confront shame directly. Write down one lie shame has whispered and cross it out with the truth. Speak out loud, shame is not my name. I am who Spirit says I am. Share one part of your story with someone safe, or even with yourself in the mirror. Do one thing today that shame told you not to, and notice the freedom in it. Let's take this deeper by reflecting. These prompts are here to help you face what's been hidden and bring it into the light. What story of shame have I been carrying? And is it actually true? How has shame shaped the way I see myself? And how can I begin to rewrite that image? What would it feel like to live unshamed, to show up fully as I am? Take time to sit with those questions, to face what rises within, and let's speak this truth back over your life. I am not my shame. I am worthy. I am loved. I am free. Again, I am not my shame. I am worthy. I am loved. I am free. Let's take this moment together and close in prayer. Bring one hand to your heart and gently close your eyes. Spirit, you see the weight I've carried in silence, the labels I've worn, the lies I've believed, the shame that told me I was unworthy of love, unworthy of joy, unworthy of you. But today, I lay shame at your feet. Every hidden thought, every buried memory, every wound shame tried to turn into my identity. Spirit, deliver me from shame's grip. Break every chain that has bound me. Shut down every lie that told me I was less than, broken, and unworthy. Restore me, Spirit. Restore my voice where shame silenced me. Restore my dignity where shame made me hide. Restore my joy where shame tried to bury it. Wrap me in your mercy. Cover me in your love. Let me see myself through your eyes, whole, radiant, forgiven, free. As I pray this not just for myself, but for every soul here today. For the one who believes they've gone too far. For the one who hides behind a smile but aches inside. For the one who thinks they will never be enough. Spirit, speak louder than shame. Clothe us in your grace. Call us into the light. And let us rise, not with masks, not with fear, but with freedom. Shame, you have no place here. Shame, you have no power here. In your name, Spirit, we walk unshamed. Amen. You are not your shame. You are not your past. You are not your wounds. You are loved. You are whole. You are free. I'll meet you here tomorrow for day 34. Same time, new word. Until then, walk with your head lifted. From my heart to yours, I am always with you.